Hey everybody, welcome back. I just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek at my deck garden. Right at the end, I have some sugar snap peas and already been enjoying those. And then there's a few flowers there that haven't bloomed yet. And then right there in the corner are some strawberries that my aunt shared with me. We've been eating off of those, but I had to cover them because of birds. And then there's some sweet onions. My cousin shared those with me, so I've been planting those, I think, in every pot that didn't already have something else in it. But right there, you see me doing what's called ringing the onion. I don't know if you've ever heard of that, but basically, you just wipe away some of the dirt from the bulb and supposedly helps it expand. Right next to that, I planted a blueberry bush. I totally forgot I had planted carrots there. So it's sharing a pot with some carrots right now. And then onions and chives. The chive blooms were so pretty and purple, but they're about gone. And then right next to that, I have another blueberry bush. Doing okay. It was smaller than the other one when I put them both out, so it's not caught up yet. This big plant started out as a tiny plant I bought at Kroger. It's a sun sugar tomato, which is a small cherry tomato, just yellow, and not to be confused with sun gold. It's sun sugar, and it is by far the best little cherry tomato I've ever had. So I've got 3 of those plants there. And you'll notice I have marigolds planted with them. They are supposed to help deter pests. And you'll also notice that I have some empty gallon jugs in there. They are perforated at the bottom. When it gets really hot and humid here, that's how I water, so that it's a slow drip in keeping my plants watered. The next 3 plants there are large tomatoes. They're the Cherokee purples. They're a slicing tomato. Very, very good. And then that took care of that whole side. It's tomatoes. And then I've got some more onions, that large pot, and then a couple of small ones. And then it goes to the peppermint. I saw some wasps hanging around the porch, and I read that peppermint and marigold, anything with a strong scent, will deter them, and they have left. Then a small, tiny little cucumber there. I've replanted cucumbers. This will be my 3rd time. They're just not doing well this year for some weird reason. And then I have one little jelly bean tomato plant there. It's a small cherry tomato that's red. So anyway, this is the start of it. And as the summer progresses, I may do a little update. See you guys later. Bye.